Well, she's in her crouch. There goes Jay. No footsteps back here. Oh, she's on something now. Girl, whoa. Whoa. Hey, girl. Disco. Fuck me. Can't do that. Easy. Think she's birdie? Okay, stay with me now. Whoa, girl. Whoa. Pheasant tracks. Hey, bring it back. Girl, bring it in. Come on. Jesus. Ooh. Get that bird. Girl, Disco, over here. Plenty of feathers. Oh, good. Snuck up on me. Good girl. Good girl, Disco Dogs. Good girl. There we go. Holy smokes. That happened fast. Think he was holding in there? Yeah, he was. That was number 5, Bismuth, Kent. I used that, and then I got number 2, Steel, loaded in after that. Honestly, I would go with like a number 4 Bismuth. We'll catch that one on the way back up. Hopefully it'll still be there.